morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in for our continued journey through Nuvole Bianche. Shout out to the Oxford family for being awesome in suggesting this. Today we're going to be looking at measures 13 through 20, 21-ish. There's just some complicated rhythms that we're going to dive a little bit deeper into. So we're going to find our hand position first. Actually, let's get into it. We're going to start at the beginning. Measure 13, we're going to take it a little bit slower. The music does say to go a little bit faster. But we're going to start with both hands separate. So we're going to start with the left hand first. So we're in 12, so we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now an easier way to count in 12 is to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. And that is through measure 20. Now, when we add the right hand, what's really critical to remember is that rhythm. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. That rhythm solid when we start off, then it's going to be kind of a mess putting it all together. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and try putting both hands together really, really slowly. Left hand jump. The part where we are stopping, so measure 21. So one thing you got to remember is for every quarter note you see is going to be worth 2 eighth notes. So you want to go and etc., etc. Let's go ahead and speed it up with the rest, like the tempo marking indicates. That's at 21 again. So one thing you want to remember about the left hand is we don't want it to be accented every beat. It's kind of meant to sound, I feel like it sounds like rushing water, or bubbling, like a bubbling brook or a stream. So you want it to be really light and almost like, instead of thinking it in terms of an individual note, as a larger cluster instead. So that's one. That's actually a great way to practice it too, is breaking it down and then putting it together in the larger context so that you can prevent any breaks or pauses happening from in between. A note about fingering. So I use 5, 2, and 1 in the left hand. You can also use 5, 3, and 1 if you like. I just prefer that because I have a better reach here in my hand. Timing is really critical in this piece, so just be wary of that as you move on in practicing it. Hope that helps kind of eliminate some confusion with that small section of the piece. We're going to continue studying this, but in, of course, small chunks. So make sure you're isolating those problem sections and getting them to sound crystal clear and golden. Hope you guys have a great time practicing. See you next time.